Do you know that there are free and cool dials available for your KD19 Pro Smart Watch? In this video, we will explore how to download and install them. But that's not all. I will also show you how to create your own dial using your personal photos. With these tips, you can customize your watch face to suit your style and personality. Stay tuned to make the most out of your KD19 Pro smartwatch and follow along for more smartwatch tutorials. Before proceeding, ensure that you have already installed the Wi-Fi app on your mobile phone. In case you need a detailed tutorial on how to install it, kindly comment, and I will cover it in my next video. Now turn on your KD19 Pro smartwatch and ensure that it's in pairing mode. Next, open the Wi-Fi app on your mobile phone and search for your KD19 Pro smartwatch. Once it appears, tap on it to connect. Once you are connected, navigate to the dial options. Here, you will see My Dial, Dial Mall, and D-Dial. Let's start by checking out the Dial Mall. Here, you can find a wide variety of dial options that suit your style and match your fashion. There are two types of dial options available, free and those that require golden beans to install. Let me first show you how to get the free dial options. Simply select a dial that you like. Then tap the Redeem Now button, and finally, tap Use Immediate. Wait for it to sync with your KD19 Pro smartwatch, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and you'll have a stunning dial that suits your style. Go back to the My page on your Wi-Fi app and tap on Change Dial. This will redirect you to a new page where you can earn golden beans for daily check-ins and watching ads. Once you have accumulated enough golden beans, head over to the Dial Mall to exchange them for more stylish dial options. Simply select a dial that you like. Then tap the Redeem Now button, and finally, tap Use Immediate. Wait for it to sync with your KD19 Pro smartwatch, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and you'll have a stunning dial that suits your style. Once you have installed all the dial styles you prefer, you can easily access them through the My Dial section. Now, let me show you how to personalize your dial using your personal photos. Head over to the DIY dial section where you can either take a photo or select one from your gallery. Once you have selected a photo, you can craft it further, and once you're done, tap the check icon. You can also reposition the time and change its color. Additionally, you can also modify the content above and below the time display. Once you have set everything up, simply tap the Save and Use button. That's it. Your personalized photo dial will be displayed on your KD19 Pro smartwatch. This will surely inspire you to check the time on your watch more often. Thanks for watching these tutorials. We hope you have enjoyed this video and learned much from it. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and follow for more helpful tutorials and product reviews. Thank you and have a great day.